Hi friends, welcome to Tutor's Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make the simple coffee shop POS using C#.net. Let us show the demo first. Here there will be two categories. One is a rice, another one is a drink. Okay. Here, if the customer asks the fried rice, here we have to select the quantity, and chicken, fish, these are the rice. Fish rice, chicken rice and fried rice, right? These are the quantity. And tea, drink tea, coffee and orange. Here we have how many quantity they need. We can easily, we have to select and click add button. You can see all the things will be here added into the table. The total will be calculated here, right? Very simple POS, right? This one should good for the small shops. I will be teach how to do the system step by step. Let's close the demo. Right now what I'm going to do is here I'm going to start a new one here, new project, right? C# Windows application, click OK. Right now your new project has been created successfully. Right now what I'm going to do is here I have to do the same thing, right? What I'm going to do here, first things, I just increase the window a little bit here, size. Here first I need the heading. So here first we have to change the title first. So select on the form and we have to change the title as coffee shop POS. Right. After that we need the heading. This heading we have to do. So what I'm going to do is here we have to go to the tool. Here we have to select the panel. Here's a panel. Drag on the form. You have to fit here. Right. We have to change the color of that. Select this one. But change the back color. Or change as something blue. This blue. Let's change the color as this color. We have to change. Right. This color we. Yes. Otherwise we have to change the different color as. We have to change this one. Right. Red. Right. Now here what I'm going to do is here we have to add the heading. So what I'm going to do is here we have to go to the toolbox and we have to label, we have to drag here. Right. This one we have to change the heading as text. We have to change it as coffee shop POS. Press enter key and we have to change the increase the letter sizes. So here go here font size, you have to increase the size. With bold you have to increase as 36. Click OK. Right, perfect. Now let's change the color of this one. This color is not good, so we have to change the color and font. You have to change the font as Trojan Pro. We have to change it, and we have to change the color as, we have to change as font color. We have to change foreground color. We have to change it as white. Right, perfect. Right, perfect. Now let's select the form and we have to starting position. I am going to select as center. Right now let's run the project and check. It's building. Right, you have to wait until the project's built. Right here it's working perfectly. Set on the screen. Right at the center its project is right. Now what I'm going to do is here I'm going to design the form look like this. Now here go to here. Now we need the one group box. So let's go to the tool, drag one group box here. This one you have to align like this. Now here this one we need 3 check boxes. Drag arrange like this. Alright, perfect. Right. Now here we have to change the name of the group box. Right click, this one should be the rice. Select the checkbox. Properties, this one should be the first one should be fried rice. This one should be chicken. This one should be fish. Right. Now we need to drag 3 text boxes here. Okay, here go back to our toolbox again. Here we have to drag this one, numeric up down, right? This one, instead of the text box we have to drag this numeric up down, right? We need 3, right? 3, right? This one we have to get the select the quantity here, right? How much you need, right? Text box, then it is good, right? Here you can see the testing part. Here we easily get the quantity here, right? Otherwise you will be able to type, otherwise you can select it here, right? It's best. Right. Now what I'm going to do is here select the things checkbox. This one should be the checkbox number 1, checkbox number 2, checkbox number 3, right? Now what I'm going to do is here, instead of design the again, the same thing you have to select and the same thing select and copy and edit and paste, right? Here get the copy again, right here, right? If you get the copy, you will be notice that this one should be the 6, 5, 6, right? Here it's automatically change. This one should be 1, 2, 3. Here also you can change, right? Okay, if you like you will be able to change the name of this text box checkboxes, right? Okay, if you like you will be able to change the change. Okay, if you change, click this one, you can change as CHK F rice mean fried rice. This one mean CHK chicken, CHI, right? CHK CHI. This one should be CHK FISH fish. We have to change the name of the each and every check boxes. This one we have to change it as the text. We have to change the text as we have to change the text, this one as this tea. Second one should be coffee. Third one should be Coca-Cola. Right, perfect. Now here this one tea, CHK tea. This one should be CHK coffee. This one should be CHK cock. Right, perfect. Right, we have changed the checkbox name successfully. Now here this one should be the text box numeric up down control. Here all the things are here 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here if you want you will be able to change the name here as well, numeric up down. Here also you can change the fried quantity, you can change the name like that. Okay, I will leave it as a default one, numeric up down 2 3 4. Okay, now what I'm going to do is here I need one this one data grid view and one this one text box and button we need. Right, now let's go here. We have to go back to our toolbox, drag one data grid view. Here, drag here. Now here what I'm going to do is here select the data grid view and we have to add, we need to add the columns. Add columns. First column I'm going to add as this one as item. Second column I'm going to add as price. This add a text. Third one should be quantity. Fourth one should be total. That's it. Close it. Right. That's the thing we have to do. Perfect. Now what I'm going to do is here, I need one button here. So go back to our toolbox, drag one button. This one should be add. This button name should be add. Present. Right. Add button. Right. Now here what I'm going to do is here, you have to right. Now here we need one text box to show the result. So here go to here text box. You get a text box. Drag here. Size right. It's a total. Drag one label. Here this one should be the total. Here also we have to change the foreground color as red, and for font size we have to change it as 18. Click OK. Right. Perfect. Here select this text box. I am going to increase the font size as 20. You have to increase the font size as 26, 28. Size. You have to change the color as simply back color as, but change it as a black, and for foreground color as, so change it as yellow. Great. That's the thing we have to do, right? This is simple post, right? Now if you run this, we will be able to check. Very simple one, right? Very simple one. I made it. Now what I am going to do is here, now we have to do the validation part, right? Now let's close it. Right. Now here, this data grid view, select this one. The additional line will be added here. We have to remove them. So go to the data grid, select the data grid view, go to the property, relevant property here. With display, you have to switch off this one. Allow user to add rows. You have to default come as true. You make it as false. It's gone. Right. Perfect. Now what I am going to do is here, I am going to write the code for the add button. Double click on the add button. First I have to write. First I am going to create the 3 variables above. String name, int price, int dot. Right. Here I have to validate the things, right? If the user select fried rice and this select the checkbox, the relevant should be added in here, right? So first we have to write the checkbox as check if check chk fried rice dot check if the user check this one, whatever. Check. You have to write here is first we wrote the name here, name variable, get the name variable equal into what's the name. This one is a fried rice. This text it's stored in the this variable. After that, int we have to write here as int quantity equal into int dot pass int pass. You have to write here is this one, but the name of this numeric up down, right? You just go to the name, this one you have to copy, double click and Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. Dot, this one should be here. If you have to dot, you have to select the property as value, right? You have to select the property as value. right? That's the thing you have to do. If you show the error dot toString, you have to make it as toString, right? It's working, right? When you select the here quantity here, it assigned to the variable quantity here, right? After that, what I am going to see another stuff is a price. We have already created the variable above price. I am going to put the price as 4 by 5 rice 100, right? After that, I am going to calculate the total. I am going to declare a variable above, get the variable, and what right here is total dot equal quantity multiply by price, right? That's the thing we have to do. Now here we have to write the this date, all the data will be added into the data grid view here. So how to do is this dot data grid view dot rows dot add function, called the add function. You have to write first one should be the name, this name fried rice, item name fried rice. Second one should be price, third one should be quantity, this one should be total, right? That's the thing we have to do, right? Name should be what is the name giving here, it goes here. Quantity, this quantity. Price mean this price, relevant price of the fried rice. Quantity here, this total we need this total, right? Quantity multiplied by price, it assigned to the variable total. This variable here call it here, right? This thing we have to do, right? Now after that, what I am going to do is here we have to get the copy. Control C to copy, Control V to paste below. This one else if, right? This one should be rice, this one should be chicken. What's the name I give here? Chicken, CHKCHI. Checked. This one should be chicken. 200, right? After that, get the else again. Control C, copy, Control V to paste it. This one should be fish. 150, right? That's the thing we have to do. This one should be numeric 3, text box relevant text box B3, right? You have to keep in the this ones. This one should be 2, 1, 2, 3, right? After that, these all the for rice part, these are rice. If you comment this one, it's very easy to identify the name. These are rice, these for drink. So the same thing you have to get the copy. So get the we have to get the copy here. We have to get here else if to get the copy. This 2 else if get the copy. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Here we have to write this one should be the this else if t txt. This one should be t. This one should be 4. Here it's 4. You have to give us a 20 t. That's it. After this one should be coffee. Name should be coffee. Coffee mean 50. Give us this one should be 5. Right. That's it. Final one should be another else if. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, right? If you write one else if, you have to copy and paste it, right? It's easy way to complete the project, right? If you write from the beginning, it take too much of time to complete the project, right? This one should be Coca-Cola. This one is you have to cock. Give the name here as what's the name here give. This is not this cock. Right. This one should be 6. Right. That's the thing we have to do. Coca-Cola we have to 70. Right. That's it. That's the thing we have to do. all things are correct. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. If you select fried rice, chicken, quantity 2, fish, quantity 1, tea 1, coffee 3, coke 1, press add key. It's added only one item. What's the problem? Here's the problem is this, okay, the else you have to cut this, we no need the else, okay. If you write the else, there is a problem, okay. We have to, if you check the, if you select one item, only that item only added into the table, right? Here if you cut all the else part, right, after that you have to check here, it's working now it would be work. We have to select this also div, click add button, here it's added successfully, right? Here fried rice, chicken, quantity 3, it's working, fish 2, tea 1, coffee 1, coke 1, right? It's working perfectly, right? Now I need to calculate the final total here. So how to calculate the thing is, it is very simple. Right, here this one, text box 1, I'm not going to change the name. So what I'm going to do is, here we have to write the low, after that we have to write the one, we have to write int sum equals 0. So we have to write as, write one for loop, but write first int row equal 0, row less than data grid view 1 dot rows dot count. Here we have to write row plus plus, right? Here we have to write sum equal sum plus convert dot to int 32. Here we have to write data grid view 1 dot rows, we have to write row dot cell three dot value. Right. Now here we have calculated the total. Cell 3 mean this one 3, right? The data grid view position set like this. It's starting from 0 position, 0, 1, 2, third position of total, right? Now here get the total and assign to the variable sum. Now here we have to pass into the text box 1, text box 1 dot text equal sum dot toString, right? That's it. Now let's run the application check. Fried rice, chicken, fish. You have to only click add button. Here total should be calculated successfully, final total, right? It's very easy, it's very simple POS using the coffee shop. I hope you guys understood the system well. If you have any doubt on this, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.